Hi, how are you? Welcome. Thanks for joining me. I hope you had a great day. It's hump day. We're one day closer to the end of the week. Can't wait for the weekend once again. Hope you're having a wonderful evening and that you've already eaten dinner and you're settling down. You're ready for a cute little Halloween project. Y'all, I saw this cutout on Etsy and I had to grab it. So I have it on sale tonight for 25% off just until midnight. The keyword is ghost. You can comment it now. It's all set up and ready to go. Let's see if I can find my video. Here we go. All right. Whenever you comment ghost, you will get a link to buy this cutout. I'm going to go ahead and get going. I have some paint here. This is just sheepskin by Folk Art. And I have a couple of makeup sponges. So we're going to do the ghost in this sort of off-white. And then there's like little, he's on a swing, okay? I saw this cutout a while ago and I knew I had to have it, okay? And then as I was scrolling Etsy a couple of weeks ago, I saw it again and I'm like, you know what? That's a sign right there that I need to do this project. It's so funny how this one works. So come and hang out, comment ghost for me, let me know you're here. Make sure you say hey whenever you hop on, and if you're watching the replay, obviously you can comment hashtag replay, and if you're on the live, which is right now, then comment hi. Hey Lisa, hey Stephanie, how are you? Oh, I'm not ready for that. I don't know what I'm doing. I thought I brought, well, maybe I didn't. Hold please. I thought I had all the colors that I needed. I'm going to use just this brown Posca pen right here for my little edges of the, so he's like sitting on this bench, right? And swinging from a tree. But we're going to do the bench in this brown Posca pen. And then I have like, so I did the actual ghost body in kind of a not quite bright white. And then the outline of him I'm going to do in bright white. Okay, just with the Posca pen because it's just the outline. And then he does have eyes. I need to draw those on with a black marker. And then he's holding a little cup of coffee, which, y'all, this cutout is the, like, it's the cutest thing I've seen in a hot minute, okay? I've been really, really excited about this one ever since I first saw it. And I didn't buy it then, but then whenever I was searching for fall stuff, the other day I saw it again and I'm like, okay, let's do that one. We'll do it. So hopefully you can appreciate it. I love a cute ghost. And then today I got some more winter and Christmas files. So I added those to my Etsy already. If you want to go check them out. I think, yeah, we're just going to use black for the cup. And then I have a gray here for the steam coming off of it. For little stuff like this, it's super easy to just color. I love it. So let me know in the comments, do you like to decorate for Halloween inside and outside? Do you go all out outside? Do you go all out inside? What do you do? We don't do a whole lot, unfortunately, anymore. I used to have, well, I still have this blow up T-Rex. That's a T-Rex, but it's a skeleton. He's so cute. Okay. But I think the like little power box on it is corroded or something, so I need to get Chris to clean that up so that we can put that in our yard this year. Because I love him. Other than that, we don't do a lot of decorating outside anymore. I do buy candy. However, and answer the door a million times for the trick-or-treaters. Last year it was raining really bad on Halloween, so we didn't have hardly any trick-or-treaters, which was unfortunate, because then we had a ton of candy that Chris and I were forced to eat, because we have no self-control, you know? And now we still have some of that candy. All the reject candy is left in there still, you know. And we ate all the good stuff, so we're terrible. All right. Okay, and then I'm going to just color the little swing with a Posca pen. I don't think I need to paint it with paint. It will be easy just to do this really quick. And then I have some brown paint that I pulled out for the tree itself. And I was actually thinking maybe I might mix some paint, but I think I'm going to just go with brown and call it. I was thinking maybe I could make it a little bit of a creepier looking tree, but I don't really have a picture in my mind of what colors a creepy tree are. So I would have needed to probably research that a little bit more than none in order to get that right. So I'm not gonna try and test my luck here. Okay. Boom, easy, right? And then I have some brown paint on my little use it a million times cardboard here. And we're gonna do the tree and the base in the brown. Hopefully we can get away with just one layer. Maybe if we keep it thick. Just like that. Hey Stephanie, how are you, doll? I'm doing well. How are you? Thanks for joining me. Thanks for commenting, Ghost. I hope you love this one. I think you will. It's really fun. It's a different kind of project than I've done in a while. It's not a door hanger. It's not just, well, it's a little shelf sitter, but it's kind of, the fact that the ghost is hanging, like, swinging from this tree is just the cutest little thing that I've seen in a minute. All right. Here we go. I think we're good. I think we're all good, actually, all the way around. I was just like double checking to make sure that I had a decent layer of paint on everything, and I think I do. I think I'm ready. to put all this together, I'm going to close up this paint right here so that I don't dump it. And if you hear whatever that noise, it is Ivy is doing laundry right now. And it's my washing machine working. Alright. Carefully get this stuff off of here so that you don't break the pieces. As you know, they're very fragile. And some are more fragile than others. That little ghost outline is particularly something I would be careful with. Okay. Now, here's how this is going to go. Okay. I want to put this, lay this all out so that you can kind of visualize it. But the tree is double layered. Okay. Just like this. And the bottom part with the hooks, this part with the hooks right there is going to be the second layer. Okay. So we'll put it together like that. And then our ghost is going to actually sit right here, but I'm gonna oh, I see. That's the bottom of it. I get it. Okay. Let me close this because I didn't do a very good job a second ago and I'm afraid. Okay, so we'll start with the outline and I'm just gonna dot a little bit here. And I'm going to give it a couple of bits of glue. I'm not going to do glue like on the whole thing, okay, all the way around. Just here and there, not everywhere, okay? And then I can hold it by the little seam. And then set it down. And let that set up, okay? And then this brown part that we painted, I just realized is the seat. Duh. I get it. It makes it kind of layered. Now, we'll do a little bit of glue all over, and then I went along this line here, okay? And then that is gonna go, y'all, this is, it's getting cuter by the second, okay? I can't hardly stand it. There he is on his little swing, okay? I did too much of the glue on the back, so it's fine. It's fine. All right, and then the little hooks are here, okay? So let's glue this part together really fast and I'll show you how the hooks work. Because this part's kind of interesting how they did it since all of it's flat, right? It's not 3D printed. So it can't be circular, okay? And I'm realizing I probably need to paint both sides. So paint both sides of these little hooks, alright? There we go. Okay. All right. Now our tree's glued together. Oh, I need to do my base too. So let's do that first. I'm getting ahead of myself is what I'm doing here. Put that in the middle. Glue that piece, and then we'll get this piece glued in. Just for stability, I guess. Hi, Joni. How are you? We're almost done here. This was a quick one. No less adorable, though. I promise you that. Okay? And then your tree will fit into that base, okay? So the slot on this base is a 1/4 inch because the wood is 1/8 of an inch. So now you have your tree that stands, okay? And the little hooks go on there like this, okay? Like that and like that, so that our little ghost friend, cool, that's wonderful. Perfect job. Drop the little hook. My goodness. Well, oh, it landed right on my, let me hook it on here first because I'm bound to mess up if I don't. Don't lose your hook in your room. But oh my gosh, it swings too. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. And then the other thing that I'm seeing that I kind of want to do is just adding a couple little lines on the steam with a white Posca pen. See that? Cute, right? Look how adorable. And it swings. Hey, Rebecca, how are you? Anywho, that's our project tonight, y'all. I hope you love this. Let me know in the comments if you do. Isn't it adorable? I had to do this one. I just couldn't get away without it. Anyway, I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you for joining me. I sure appreciate you all so much. Have a wonderful night. Bye.